Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Soulmate Sketch Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this very interesting offer called Soulmate Sketch. So this is the Soulmate Sketch Review. And it says here, are you ready to finally meet your true soulmate? Warning, many people are shocked to see what their soulmate actually looks like. Yes, I want my soulmate drawing, and you can see a dude and a baby girl, I guess, and two more dudes coming here. And how this soulmate sketch and reading works. So it's pretty straightforward. It's done and dusted. Okay, so let me see what are the questions here. So how fast can I get my sketch and reading? Your high quality sketch and reading will be delivered to you via email within 24 hours. In some rare cases when demand is high, it could take 2 days. What is all included with my sketch? In addition to the sketch of your soulmate, you will receive a complete description of characteristics and qualities of this person, and that will help you to connect when you are at the right time with this person. Will I know my soulmate? Many people have found what can I expect? You can expect high quality work, including a sketch of the visions that I receive in my trance of connection with the infinite energy of the universe with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Well, if we are living in 2022, I think you should grow up. Okay, grow up, buddy. If you're desperate, if you're desperate to get laid or hook up, just go out. Okay, go out. You don't find soulmates on the internet. Okay, internet means at least not somebody selling you soulmates. Okay, now watch the video till the end. Keep watching the video till the end. You could be a guy, you could be a woman, or you could be a girl or man, whatever. Okay, now I think these people, this website Soulmate Sketch, they are trying to sell their sketch services. Okay, so they will charge you some money, and they will go ahead and create some sketches for you. If you want to create the sketch of a girl or woman, you can order their service. If you want to create the sketch of a man or a guy, you can order the sketch and you will get the delivery in your email within 24 hours. Okay, as long you say, okay, we are creating sketches, and then we'll describe everything. How the personality of the sketch looks like. We will tell you all the characteristics. That's fine, right? But obviously the person which you draw on the plain paper can't be real until and unless you have seen somebody in real and you draw them on the paper. Okay, so this person Wang, who is the owner of this product, who is the sketch artist, so obviously he's going to draw somebody for you on the piece of paper. And I would say sketch artists, they can draw anybody, right? So they might be looking out of the window and they will see somebody walking in the balcony in front of the house or maybe on the road. Okay, so artists are artists. Okay, so they can go and make sketches of anybody whom they see in the public. All right, and that is when you realize that, okay, the sketch which I ordered from this guy, I found that person in real life. Well, you might find that person in real life because the sketch artist actually made the sketch of a real person because he can do that. Okay, so yeah, but let's not mix two things together here. Okay, if you want to only have fun, just have fun, you are a curious one. Okay, you are a curious person, you are just trying to have something interesting in your life, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, if you want the real girl, if you want the real man, you have to go outside your house, please, or maybe go on a dating site. Okay, here you can get the sketches, right? So with this offer, Soulmate Sketch, you will get the sketch service. So they are selling you the sketch service just by playing with your mind, because you might be desperate in your personal life. You do not have a girl with you to love you. You don't have a man to love you. So in that case, they are, I think, trying to exploit that your hormones here, and all they're doing is they're selling the sketch service. Okay, so if you want to go and buy this sketch service, that okay, yes, I can afford 20 bucks, I don't really mind, and I just want to have fun and want to see what it looks like. Okay, you can go and order the sketch services. You will find the link below my video. Click on show more. Somewhere here you will find the link which says get grab your sketch copy here. So click on that link, come on this page, and you can order, and you have to go and fill up some details. So if you click here, yes, I want my drawing, so you choose who are you interested in, right? You have these options, men, women, both, right? That you can do that. What's your status? You can choose here, and zodiac sign, choose here, and what's your first last name and your birthday, your email address, and then click on continue here, drawing, and then pay them the money. Okay, and you know how it works, right? So yeah, don't mix two things together. You will be getting sketches. Okay, and when this person Wang, the owner of this Soulmate Sketch website, he claims that people have found real people, from these sketches. Okay, well, I told you, artists, they can make your sketch if they have seen you somewhere else. Okay, so if they go outside in the public street, they can make sketches. They see a lot of women, girl, men, guys out there. Okay, they can just go and give you one sketch of a real person, and eventually if you ever come across with that person, then yeah, you might say, oh my god, yes, I found my soulmate. No, you did not find your soulmate. It's just that you were given the sketch of a person whom you don't know at present. Okay, that's it, right? Now this is what I think. Okay, and rest is your destiny. I will again say, this is not the way you will find your love or your sex or whatever you are looking for here. This is not the way to do it. You have to maybe talk to somebody on the phone call, Zoom call, video call, or just go outside, stand on the road and have a billboard, have a board, in your hands that I need a girlfriend or I need a boyfriend. Okay, that's the way to go and find your soulmate. Just stand on the street with a billboard on your hand, write it, I need a girlfriend, write, I need a boyfriend. Maybe somebody will come that way. Okay, but yes, if you want the sketch services, then you can go and order the sketch services from this website, from this guy. That's the only point of this software, of the service rather. Otherwise, forget about your soulmate. You don't get soulmates on YouTube or on this website. Okay, so yeah, if you really need the sketch service, just go below my video and order the sketch service. And rest, if you want to live the real life with a real person, walk outside your door. Okay, however, there's one tip here: don't go with your blank pocket. Okay, if you're a guy, you need money, right? You need money if you need to get the girl or girls, and if you're a woman, you don't need anything. Just go out there, get as many guys you want, right? So yeah, for guys, if you really want to go and get something, you need to have money in your pocket. Okay, I cannot help you to get the girl here right now, but I can help you to go and make some money online. Okay, if you want to learn how to make money on the internet, then you can start doing what I am doing, make some money, and then go and live your life. Okay, so if you go below my YouTube video, the first thing says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to make YouTube videos like me, and then people will be watching those videos and they will be watching some ads, just like you have seen some ads in this YouTube video. So you see these ads and I make my money. Okay, so this is very simple: make videos, make money. But to make this happen, you need to get your YouTube channel monetized, and to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And this Traffic Jarvis can help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days only. After that, you can make money on YouTube, and I will not talk much about, because you have to click on this link and follow the instructions. Okay, and then you will learn how to make money online for the rest of your life using YouTube for free. For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, it's free. Okay, subscribe is free, like is free, press the bell notification, leave your questions if you have any. You can leave your super colorful comments using the super thanks button. And now I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis and email marketing. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out if you want to make money without selling anything. for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.